A new survey says 7 in 10 Singapore-based employers don't have policies covering diversity, equity and inclusion, even though they recognise the positive impact that they can have. Nearly 200 companies were polled by the Singapore National Employers Federation, and consulting firm Kincentric. Brandon Tanoto reports.
Of the 186 firms across 19 sectors polled between June and July this year, 7 out of 10 do not have diversity, equity and inclusion policies. Also in the survey findings, challenges included a lack of available data, like gender pay gap and inequality in career progression. Others include the ineffectiveness of line managers when dealing with workers in a non-discriminatory manner.
It is not always the case that when an individual takes on a higher responsibility that they automatically are equipped with the right skills to manage their team effectively. So this is something that we need to be concerned about in terms of how do we upskill and equip our line managers.
Smaller firms face a tougher time putting in place such practices. For one, the cost is high.
Or they may not have the bandwidth, they may not even have a formal HR team looking after HR issues.
But these firms can tap on available resources. These include the Community Integration Fund. It subsidizes up to 80% of costs for activities such as those promoting workplace cohesion. The survey also revealed that more than half of the employers who don't have the policies in place are already taking steps to consider these as factors in hiring and promotion. It's part of their efforts to grow and retain their workforce.
After going through COVID last year, they are re-evaluating how they want to work and what are they looking for in terms of workforce, the workplace that they want to be part of. Is the workplace going to practice a lot more flexible working arrangements, right, to cater for mothers who have children at home, right? So how do we create workplaces that will be inclusive to bring them on board, as opposed to them going to other organizations where some of those benefit of flexible arrangements able to cater to their needs a lot better.
Such policies are intended to ensure that employees and job seekers are treated fairly, regardless of nationality, age, race, gender or disability. A set of guidelines on workplace discrimination will soon be enshrined into law. Such legislation will give authorities more teeth against errant employers.